Hey everyone, it's been a few days I haven't made a video. So I've been hoarding these hard drives here. They're old school drives. And they were pulled from the original Xbox. If you guys ever get original Xboxes and the Xbox boots, these could still have some value if they're working because of the way Xbox installs their software and stuff in this. For regular people like me who have difficulty with like installing stuff that's proprietary, like this Xbox stuff, you know, it's good to be able to buy one of these. Other people are good; they can hack these, install the Xbox software using their computer and stuff. I've tried, I can't get my brain around it. I don't know why, but it is what it is. So for people who are like me, would buy one of these, it just makes it easier. But these are all dead hard drives, so I kept them around, hoping to do a video. And in this video, I'm gonna do the math to see, one, how much they're worth complete like this, broken. Then I'll take out the board and see what these drives are worth separate from their board. And then finally just strip them down to the bare nuts and bolts, sell the platters as platters and the boards as boards and aluminum as aluminum, and we'll go from there. So on board sort, untouched hard drives that aren't unscrewed and missing parts inside and the boards haven't been removed, they sell for 50 cents a pound. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 7 of these drives, and they're almost about a pound each. So they're 7 pounds and 12 ounces. So we're talking about 7, let's see, 12. So about 7.7 pounds. So as is, we'd get almost $4. And they come out to $3.88 as is.